This is a driveway in a project that we just finished over on Hawthorne. It's got the two strips with the black star in the middle. Then because of this tree, we went ahead and made this entire section here black star because of the root system on the tree. And so this is a hobby room. Downstairs it's got a workshop. It's got a 4-foot cantilever covered balcony in the front. And then on the side it's got a 2-foot overhang. It's a pretty small footprint. They were limited by their yard. This 3.5-foot stairway. So this space is absolutely for spillover of the house. Basically, it's one big room. We're able to use a window unit, save money. Got an open ceiling up to I think about 11 or 12 feet. What's cool about this is the floating shelves in the butcher block. Really cool fridge they got there, Magic Chef. That looks kind of cool. Also too, what's really unique about this, and we've been starting to use these for our HVAC, is this is actually the door of the bathroom. So I really like the tile he picked. So the space is really small, but that's all that would fit, and that's cool. So I think we have 1 or 2 inspections left and we're pretty much done.